This is the new Edo Line Terminal, a fresh structure standing as a symbol of Edo's commitment to improving transportation and mobility for its people. On Monday, 21st July 2025, the Senator Monday Okpebholo-led administration officially commissioned what is now called the new Edo Line. This terminal was introduced to replace the old Edo Line Park, which was located somewhere around James Watt, I think. Yeah, that old terminal was shut down around 2010. That's 2010. Yeah, for reasons unknown. This new terminal is carved out from the already existing Benin City Central Park, which is located at Obakhavbaye. For a lot of us now know Ring Road very well. That's around Ring Road beside the popular Oba Market, a location that naturally serves as a central point for travel within and outside the city. So I visited this place to show you guys what the new park currently looks like, and the places that the buses can go within and outside the city capital. But however, during my visit here at about 12 p.m, the place was kind of empty. I didn't get to see buses. Yeah, and the place for ticket booking was locked. This may be due to timing, restructuring, or administrative schedules yet to be made public. Whatever the reason, the facility itself holds a lot of promise, as you can see, and a lot of persons say that this place might be cheaper than other motor parks we have around Benin City currently. Well, as the state continues to grow, development like this terminal are vital for connecting Edo to other parts of Nigeria, boosting commerce and making life easier for travelers. Well, we hope to return to this place sometime again to see when it's fully functional and to see the buses. Yeah, during the commissioning, we saw a lot of buses parked outside. So I will find another time, come here possibly very early in the morning, to see and show you guys the buses and how people are boarding to other parts of the country and even within the state. This place you are seeing currently is the park, which is inside the already existing Central Park. For a lot of us that know Obakhavbaye and have been here, this is a part of the Central Park, and a lot of persons know that this place was constructed by the previous administration of Godwin Obaseki. Yeah, so but this place has been carved out, and it's a good move to bring the parks to one place by the government, by the current governor Okpebholo. What do you think about this Central Park? Do you think it's situated in the right place? Well, you can let us know in the comments, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll be showing you guys more of this place and other interesting and amazing places in Benin City as we go. Thank you for watching.